Children, welcome back to your VPS e-learning class. Children, as you all know that yesterday I have completed your explanation of the lesson 6, the tiger's trick 1. Today I am going to explain you the exercises of the same chapter beta, exercise 1 and exercise 4. You all know now that we only complete the exercises of this reader book, so we have to complete the exercise 1 and 4 in your English literature copy beta. So get ready with your copy and pen. Please use blue and black pen. Okay students, and give one line space as I have completed the exercises in the copy. I send you the pic. You have to do the same work. Please use blue and black pen and check after completing your work, so spelling should not be mistake. Okay students, and if you feel any problem, you can ask me in the class group or personally also, children. So let's begin with the exercises beta. Okay. Morning children. As you all know that yesterday I have demonstrated the lesson the tiger trick 1, lesson 6 of your English reader book. So children, today I am going to complete your exercises, this first exercise and your this fourth exercise. You all know now that we only complete the exercises of the reader book. So get start with your English literature copy. You have to complete these two exercises in your copy only with the help of pen. Okay. And before starting your work, you have to maintain your index like this. Serial number is 9. Today's date 15/12/20. Lesson 6, the tiger's trick 1. And page number you have to mention like this. Okay students, you can complete it like this in a neat and clean handwriting and use blue and black pen which you want. Okay, let's start with the exercises also. Mention today's date in the page, that is 15/12/20. Lesson 6, the tiger's trick 1. Classwork exercises like this. And first exercise is write T for true or F for false for these statements. So the villager was a wealthy man. It is false because the villager was it is a poor villager. So the villager was not a wealthy man. So it is false here. Come to the next. The villager felt sad for the tiger. Yes, it is true because again and again the tiger is requesting to take him out of the cage and sobbing, requesting the villager. That's why it is the true statement that the villagers felt sad for the tiger. So mention T here. Come to the next. The villager gave the tiger some food. Here it is wrong statement because the villager is not giving the tiger any food. So it is false. Come to the next D. The tree, the buffalo and the red hen did not feel sorry for the villager. Yes, it is true. Because the villager met these three persons and they are not sorry for the villager. So it is true statement. So mention T. Okay students. So again I am repeating, it is first exercise, write T for true and F for false for these statements. First one is the villager was a wealthy man. It is false. So mention F here. Come to the next B. The villager felt sad for the tiger. It is true statement. That's why we mentioned T. The villager gave the tiger some food. It is false. So we mention F. And the next, the buffalo, the tree and the red hen did not feel sorry for the villager. It is true. So we mention T here. Come to the next exercise, exercise 4. Come to the next exercise, exercise 4. Na? You are seeing that there is a box created in the book. Na? So what you all have to do, you all have to choose the words according to the simile. Now complete the simile with words from the box. So as white as, it is snow. Like this you have to fill the whole exercise. So first one, as white as snow. Second is as soft as butter. as soft as butter, as solid as, it is rock, a rock. Come to the next, as shiny as gold. And the last one is as clever as a fox. So, fill the exercise 4 like this. Now complete the similes with words from the box. In this, as white as. You all know that snow is white. So, as white as snow. Next is as soft as butter. Butter is very soft. You all know, na? So, as soft as butter. Next is as solid as a rock. As solid as a rock. D. As shiny as gold. You all know that gold has a yellow shining, na? You all know. It's very well. So, as shiny as gold. As clever as a fox. A fox is a very clever animal. You all know when you read the stories also about animal fox, it will be given that fox is very clever. So, as clever as a fox. I hope you all have understood these two exercises properly. Please use beta blue and black pen and complete your question with black pen and answer with your blue pen, students. Write in a neat and clean handwriting. Give one line space like this as I have completed, and complete it neatly, nicely, and check after that answers are correct or not. Please before sending me in a group, please check the spellings also. And what is your homework for today? You have to learn this two exercises properly and revise it again and again. Okay, beta? Thank you.